In this next problem, we are asked to find the quotient and remainder by dividing the polynomial 2x to the fourth minus 7x cubed plus 10x squared minus 13x plus 3 by the binomial x minus 2. Since the binomial x minus 2 is of the form x minus r, we can use synthetic division in solving this problem. So x minus r equals x minus 2, implying that r is equal to 2. To begin, we start by inspecting the terms of the polynomial, checking if we have decreasing powers of x and that all terms are accounted for. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we write the coefficients of the decreasing powers of x here, starting with 2, negative 7, 10, negative 13, and 3. And then we write r equals 2 here. Next, we bring down 2. We multiply 2 by 2 or 2 by r and get 4. We add. We get negative 3. We multiply again by r. Negative 6. We add. We have 4. Again by r. 8. And then add. Negative 5. Multiply again by r. Negative 10. And then add. We have negative 7. These are the coefficients of the decreasing powers of x in the quotient, starting with x cubed, which is 1 degree lower than the dividend. So the final answer is 2 x cubed minus 3 x squared plus 4x minus 5, with this as the remainder.